As a staple of many Caribbean and Antiguan meals, saltfish usually refers to any white, flaky fish that has been salt cured. This includes pollock, haddock, hake, but most often cod. Saltfish is one of my favorite things, but it's not something I enjoy eating from just anyone. See, in Antigua, we tend to oil down or fat down saltfish, which is basically cooking it in a ton of oil. Today, we're going to fix that.
Start by removing the skin of the fish by sliding a knife onto the edge and peeling it back. It's a lot harder to remove after cooking, and leaving it on is totally out of the question. Reason being, it will make the fish very chewy. When you're done, place the fish in a bowl and fill it with water until it covers the top of the fish. Cover the bowl with a lid and leave it overnight to rehydrate the fish, as well as getting some of the excess salt out. Drain the water from the bowl, transfer the fish to a pot, and once again barely cover the top with water. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Then take the cover off and let it continue boiling for about 5 minutes. Drain the water from the pot, then transfer the fish to a bowl and allow it to cool. Once the fish is cool enough to handle, carefully sift through all the pieces and remove the bones you find. When you're done, break any large chunks you find into smaller pieces. Set it aside, and now we can actually begin the final steps. Start with a pan over medium heat, add some olive oil and coat the bottom. As always, start with your onions and just cook them for a bit. Add your chopped garlic, then green peppers, then add your pre-cooked and deboned saltfish. This is where I would add a glass of water. Don't worry about if you added too much, you can always reduce it later. Now add some chopped celery, seasoning peppers, some freshly ground black pepper. Stir that in for a bit and add some thyme. Mix everything together and then add your tomato paste. You kind of want to help it dissolve into the liquids first before attempting to mix it in with everything else. Once that is done, keep stirring and letting it reduce until you get to the consistency you like.
Now that we're done making our saltfish, the next logical step is to pair this with some dukkana and some chopper. But another time for that, boy. Be sure to check back for part 2 of the series.